Smells so good. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margrette, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Today is a very special day for Mandaue Food Merkado because I will be showcasing their very own barbecue ribs and also their ube biko. I would like to thank Mom Mayan and also Sir Josh for sending me these products. I actually bought them because I saw reviews about the ube biko. So here I am trying them now. So I really love the packaging because it comes with brown paper bags. Brown bags before you actually see the products themselves. So there's a cute message here, ube biko for Margaret, and then have a nice day with a smiley. So thank you so much, Mayan, for these products. I actually bought three tubs of ube biko because I saw from one friend that two tubs were not enough for him. So yes. Thank you, Mayan, for these. So it's only 100 pesos for each tub of ube biko. I have never tasted ube flavored biko before, and I'll be opening this. This is their very special and most requested barbecue ribs. So, see? Packaging wise, the best good si Mayan. And there's also another message here, small ribs, because you can actually choose whether to have small or the size that is good for sharing with your family. So mao siya ang small nila. I have been waiting for this moment because it was not possible during ECQ to cross boundaries or cross borders between Mandaue and Lapu-Lapu, especially for food. So right now I'm really so happy with this because finally na siya. And it's so secured na. Wait sa, nag-reason na go-open. Actually, I'm sweating. You might notice that I'm sweating. I turn off the fan because it will produce a lot of noise when recording this video. Wow! Amazing! Amazing, Mayan! When you open the brown bag, there's this styro package, and when you open it, voila! Another set of packaging. It's a foil packaging just to make sure it's safe. Wow! Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Small pa ni guys ha. Look. It smells so good. It has barbecued ribs and also the corn is also barbecued. And there's a lot of sauce. Pwede pa itisabaw sa kanon guys. So don't mind the background noise. I'm in my sala right now, so everything is open. The window, the door. Here it goes, guys. Here you go. Okay. Then the Biko. Grabe packaging, secure kayo. If you would like to order this, view the contact details of Mayan or Sir Josh in the description box. Naka-excite po nila. Woo! I can smell the gata. Here you go. My gosh, 100 pesos. The kind of guys. There are more bucarillo bits. I'm not sure. I will taste that later. And grabe generous kayong serving ni Mayan. There's actually an extra piece down there, if you can see. Pwede mo ginamot ko. Lamig ang sauce. I can actually remember a Mexican restaurant just by tasting the sauce. And it's very tender. Sorry, ginamot ko lang ako ha. It's so soft. Look. Walang ka force. So yun na kayo siya hulbuton. It's so tender, so juicy. Daghan ka siya sauce, guys. I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah, there. See? So nitingog ang pump sa luyo. Ay nanak ning tanda. But I want to show you the sauce. Here. As in, pwede pa nimo isabaw sa imong kanon, guys. And I would like to try. Guys, lami kayo ang ribs actually. Galibog ng kamera sa matutok. Naro, dako siya giwa, oy. Yeah, tender and juicy. Dalawa na pang mais. Even the corn is very flavorful. Ganahan sa Zenon na so ako na ibiling parli. Now let's taste the Biko. It's soft. Well cooked. Walay gahi na bits. I can taste the gata, the ube, and the coconut tidbits here at the top. And I think it's mixed with sugar something. I'm not really good in cooking, guys, but I can tell what it is. I just don't know how it was made. Amazing. Sakto kayo akong amigo. I think it was Enrique who was describing this ube biko. Melts in the mouth. For sure. You can taste the gata. You can taste the ube. Pero may muwan focus akong kamda. The ube, the coconut tidbits. Guys, sorry, I'm giving this both 5/5. Or let's say 10/10, it's the same. So, if you're looking for the best ube biko, I highly recommend May Anise ube biko. 100 pesos for 1 cup. And 250, if I remember this right. If I remember it right, 250 for the small ribs. And it's good for 1 to 2 persons, but for me, I think 3 people can devour on this special ribs, special barbecue ribs. So again, if you want to order this, feel free to contact May and me in Facebook or Josh Carey. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you liked it. If you did like it, please do leave a like, and if you have questions about these products here, leave them in the comments below, or you can contact me as well if you have any questions. I will also include Mandaue Food Merkado's link in the description box, perhaps if you're from there. But don't worry, guys, these are already available in Cebu City, in Mandaue, in Lapu-Lapu City. It's already open due to GCQ. Okay na ang borders, magkalabang na ta. Alright, so guys, again, if you want to show your support to my channel, please do click on the subscribe button below and tap on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Once again, if you want to try these products out. The special baby, I'm not sure if it's baby ribs, but I'm sure it's special barbecue ribs from May Ani, and also there's special ube biko. Please do leave comments or ask us directly. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Thank you so much, lovies. Have a great day. Bye.